this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find silver here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's one super easy way to go ahead and knock this out, and it's actually by using the scanner station. This is by far the easiest way to do this. It can search for everything within a 300-meter radius. So essentially go ahead and have a base. For example, I'm in my LARP station right now. You need to make your way over to the scanner station. Go ahead and find silver on here. And if there's any silver within a 300 radius, you can go ahead and just select it on here, just like so. I'd recommend just doing the closest one to you. But once you do that, you can then go ahead and make your way over to that location with a vehicle, for example, and go ahead and get yourself that. It'll actually be marked on the map. Let's see, where is that actually located? Oh, are you good, bro? It's going to be located right over here. So go to make your way to that location. It looks like it's going to be inside of here, so we can just go ahead and avoid that and make our way into this X section. We can get ourselves some silver. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.